Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Seller Central for product listing optimization. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab in the top menu. Select Add a Product from the drop-down menu. Choose the option to create a new product listing. Select the appropriate category for your product. Fill in the required fields such as product name, brand, and manufacturer. Craft a compelling title that includes relevant keywords. Write a detailed product description highlighting key features and benefits. Utilize bullet points to present important attributes clearly. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout the listing. Add high-quality images that accurately represent your product. Ensure images meet Amazon's guidelines for size and resolution. Set a competitive price by researching similar products. Choose the right fulfillment method, either fulfilled by Amazon or fulfilled by merchant. Provide accurate shipping details, including shipping weight and dimensions. Select relevant product tags and identifiers, such as UPC. Review Amazon's policies on restricted products and ensure compliance. Optimize the backend keywords section with additional relevant search terms. Fill in essential information related to product variations, if applicable. Preview your product listing to ensure accuracy and coherence. Make any necessary adjustments before you publish. Click on the Save and Finish button to submit your listing. Monitor the performance of your listing over time and make adjustments as needed. Keep updated on Amazon's best practices for listing optimization to stay competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.